Are you moving?
Yes, I am.
Why are you moving?
My apartment is too small.
How many rooms do you need?
I need 2 bedrooms.
And a kitchen?
Yes, a big kitchen.
What about a bathroom?
Of course, 1 is enough.
Do you need a balcony?
A balcony would be nice.
What area do you want?
Near my office.
Why near your office?
To save travel time.
That is smart.
Thank you.
What is your budget?
Around $500.
I know a good place.
Really? Where?
Near the city center.
How much is the rent?
$450.
That is good.
It has 2 bedrooms.
And a kitchen?
Yes, a nice kitchen.
What about a balcony?
Yes, a small balcony too.
I love balconies.
Should I call the landlord?
Yes, please.
When can you visit?
This Saturday morning.
10 o'clock?
Perfect for me.
I will send the address.
Thank you.
No problem at all.
I am so excited.
A new home is a fresh start.
I cannot wait to see it.
Good morning. I am here about the apartment.
Good morning. Yes, I remember. Come in.
Thank you. What do you think so far?
The building looks very clean.
I take good care of it. How many rooms are there?
2 bedrooms and 1 living room.
And a kitchen?
Yes, a nice kitchen.
Is it furnished?
Semi-furnished.
What is included?
A bed, a wardrobe, and a sofa.
What about a refrigerator?
You must bring your own.
Okay. Can I see the kitchen?
Of course, this way.
It looks spacious.
There is a gas stove, too.
Great. I cook every day.
Perfect then.
Is there hot water?
Yes, a heater is installed.
Good. How much is the rent?
$500 per month.
Is electricity included?
No, you pay separately.
What about water?
Also separate.
Is there a deposit?
1 month's rent.
Is parking free?
Yes, parking is free.
Can I think about it?
Of course, take your time.
I will call you tomorrow.
I will wait for your call.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
The apartment is really lovely.
I hope you choose it.
When are you moving?
Next Friday.
That is very soon.
I know, I am stressed.
Do you need help?
Yes, please.
Where do we start?
I do not know.
Let us start with books.
Good idea.
Do you have boxes?
Yes, in the storage room.
Let me get them.
Thank you.
How many boxes are there?
About 20.
That is a lot.
I have many things.
Should we label the boxes?
Yes, great idea.
Where is the marker pen?
On the kitchen table.
Got it. What do I write?
Write the room name.
Just the room?
And the contents, too.
Like kitchen, plates?
Exactly right.
That will help unpacking.
Much easier, yes.
Should I start with books?
Yes. Be careful, please.
Are they old books?
Some are very old.
I will be very gentle.
Thank you.
Do you want to throw anything away?
Yes, some old things.
Moving is a good time for that.
You are right.
Only keep what you need.
A fresh start.
Exactly. Less is better.
I feel better already.
Let us keep packing.
Yes, let us go.
Hello. I need a moving service.
Hello, I can help.
When are you available?
What date do you need?
Next Friday.
Let me check.
Is Friday available?
Yes, Friday is free.
Can you come at 9?
9 o'clock in the morning?
Yes, please.
That works for us.
Here is my current address.
And the new address?
45 Blue Avenue.
Got it. How many rooms?
2 bedrooms.
Any furniture?
1 large wardrobe.
Anything else heavy?
1 double bed.
No piano?
No piano, thank goodness.
We will bring special tools.
For the heavy furniture?
Yes, for safe lifting.
Good. How much will it cost?
$250.
Is packing included?
Packing is $50 extra.
And unpacking?
Unpacking is included.
I want the full package.
Great choice.
When will you confirm?
You will get a message today.
By phone or email?
Both, actually.
Perfect.
Is there anything else?
No, that is everything.
We will see you Friday.
Thank you so much.
Happy moving day.
You made this so easy.
That is our job.
Hello, I am ready.
Hello. Please sit.
Thank you.
Here is the agreement.
Can I ask some questions?
Of course. Please ask.
The rent is $600.
Yes, that is correct.
Will it increase?
Not for 1 year.
Good. And the deposit?
1 month's rent.
So $600?
Exactly right.
When do I get it back?
When you leave, if there is no damage.
That is fair.
Yes, it is standard practice.
Are pets allowed?
No, sorry, no pets.
Are there building rules?
Yes, there are building rules.
Can I have guests?
Yes, for 1 week maximum.
After 1 week?
Please inform me first.
Understood.
Any other questions?
No, everything is clear.
Wonderful.
The agreement looks fair.
I am glad you think so.
Where do I sign?
Here, at the bottom.
And the date?
Yes, today's date, please.
Done. Here are the keys back.
Wait, here are your keys.
Oh yes, thank you.
Welcome to your new home.
I am so happy.
Enjoy every moment.
Thank you.
Take good care of the place.
Excuse me. Hello?
Hello there.
I just moved in today.
Oh, welcome.
I am in apartment 7.
I am in apartment 8.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
It is crazy inside right now.
Moving always is.
Can I ask you something?
Of course, anything.
Where is the supermarket?
5 minutes from here.
Is it far to walk?
No, very close.
Which direction?
Down this street, then turn left.
Left. Got it.
You cannot miss it.
Is it open at night?
Until 10 o'clock.
Perfect. I finish work late.
Very convenient then.
Do they sell cleaning supplies?
Yes, everything is there.
Great. One more question.
Go ahead.
Where is the rubbish area?
Behind the building.
Are there separate bins?
Yes, cardboard and general waste.
They separate the rubbish here?
Yes, the manager is strict.
Good for the environment.
Exactly.
I will follow the rules.
I can see you are polite.
I try my best.
We will be great neighbors.
I think so too.
Need anything else?
Not right now, thank you.
Anytime. Welcome again.
The truck is gone.
Finally.
All boxes are inside.
What do we do first?
The bedroom?
Yes, we need to sleep tonight.
I will build the bed.
Good idea.
Where are the tools?
The blue box near the door.
Got them.
I will unpack the bed sheets.
Perfect. This should be quick.
Is the bed frame complicated?
A little bit.
Take your time.
Can you hold this piece?
Like this?
Yes, perfect.
Is it stable?
Almost. One more screw.
Okay, I am holding it.
Done. The bed is ready.
That was fast.
Thank you for the help.
The bed looks very sturdy.
Now the wardrobe.
It is so heavy.
We can do it together.
Should we ask someone?
Let us try first.
Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3, push.
It is moving.
Slowly, slowly.
Almost there.
Perfect. It fits.
The room already looks like home.
I know. I love it.
I am so happy we moved.
Me too.
Shall we unpack the kitchen next?
Yes, let us keep going.
This new apartment is wonderful.
It really is our new home. Hello, I need electricity connected.
Hello, I can help.
My name is Taylor.
What is your address?
45 Blue Avenue.
And your apartment number?
7B, 3rd floor.
I can see it in our system.
Great.
When did you move in?
Yesterday.
No electricity yet?
No, nothing yet.
We can send someone tomorrow.
What time?
Between 8 and 12.
Morning?
Yes, morning.
I will be home all morning.
Perfect.
Is there a fee?
$30.
When do I pay?
On your first bill.
Okay. What about water?
That is a different department.
Can you transfer me?
Of course.
Thank you.
One more thing first.
Yes?
How do you want to pay bills?
Online.
Good choice.
How do I register?
Go to our website.
And then?
Click New Customer Registration.
Is it easy?
Very easy. 5 minutes only.
I will do it tonight.
Perfect.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
You have been very helpful.
Enjoy your new home.
I am here.
Come in.
I have the keys.
Already? so soon?
Today is my last day.
I cannot believe it.
3 years went fast.
Very fast indeed.
You were a great landlord.
You were a great tenant.
Thank you.
Why are you leaving?
My new job is far.
Ah, the commute.
Too long every day.
I understand completely.
I found a closer apartment.
That is smart.
Thank you for the repairs.
That is my duty.
You always fixed things fast.
A good landlord should.
I will miss this place.
We will miss you too.
I remember moving in.
You had only 2 bags.
Now I have 20 boxes.
Life fills up quickly.
It really does.
Here, are these all 3 keys?
Main door, apartment, mailbox.
Perfect. Thank you.
When is the deposit returned?
This week, by bank transfer.
Thank you.
The apartment is spotless.
I cleaned everything yesterday.
You always took good care.
It felt like my own home.
That is the best compliment.
You take care of yourself.
You too. Good luck.
We are done.
Finally.
All boxes are unpacked.
I cannot believe it.
3 days of hard work.
Worth every minute.
The apartment looks amazing.
It really does.
I love the living room.
The sofa looks great there.
By the window. Perfect spot.
The light is beautiful.
And the kitchen.
So much bigger than before.
I want to cook tonight.
Yes, please. I am hungry.
Pasta, okay?
Perfect.
With tomato sauce?
My favorite.
I will also make a salad.
A celebration dinner.
Should we invite Nina?
Our neighbor?
She helped us yesterday.
Great idea.
Go knock on her door.
Okay, back in 1 minute.
I will start cooking.
She said yes.
Wonderful.
She is bringing dessert.
How kind.
She is a lovely person.
Good neighbors are everything.
I feel so lucky.
This neighborhood feels right.
Our new beginning.
Was it worth the hard work?
100% yes.
Here's to our new home.
And to many happy memories here.
I love our new home.
Me too, forever and always.